Alrighty, hey traders, market goes boom today. Incredible moves in the markets. But what is likely to come for the rest of this year? That's what I want to share with you in today's environment. Let's get straight into it. Don't place a trade based on what you'll see in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Alrighty traders, let's get straight into today's environment. So if you've been following me now for quite some time, you would know that I've been saying, don't fight this bull market. Pullbacks are just pullbacks and that's it. And some of you guys are even saying, I'm short in the markets right now and so on and so forth, okay? If you like, and the reason why I've stayed long these markets have been for a lot of reasons out there. I've talked about them many times in the past, right? But look what happened today on the S&P 500. In fact, if I have a look at the futures market, look at the futures market. The futures market is pretty much right out all-time new highs on the S&P 500. If I go, let's go back to, let's go back to the home there. And we can look at the Nasdaq. Nasdaq up 3% today. Very big move on the Nasdaq. And look where the Nasdaq is. The Nasdaq future is again almost at all-time new highs. And it's so amazing to see how fast things can turn around and what's been happening through here. Just very, very, very big moves across the market. You can see here, Apple up 3%, Tesla up 4%. We've got Adobe up 4%. So we've got very, 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 very big moves. My two golden childs down the bottom here, Evergrande and Barber, which I'm not in yet, but I probably will be getting into as the year unfolds, or as the year finishes, should I say. But looking at probably the start of next year, I'll be looking at to get into these ones here. But as you can see, just very, very, very big moves. And where is this? Why is this happening? And where is this market to go? Why is this happening? Is because, guys, and this is where I hope you've been listening to some of the stuff I've been telling you, because it's been the truth of why this market keeps going up, of the fundamental levels. The fear of what people are telling you right now is not going to cause the thing that's going to crash the markets. Okay? It's not going to be the thing. It's not the debt ceiling. It's not Evergrande. It's not China. And nothing like that. Everything on a fundamental macro level is the reason why I just get so many people short in these markets. Guys, don't short this market right now. Why are you shorting a big booming bull market? And I've been screaming at the top of my lungs, don't short this market. Because there's nothing but massive fuel to the upside. And I've been screaming that to the top of my lungs for the last, 6 months plus. Don't short this market. And the reason I'm getting tough on you guys, because I get some people like down the bottom here where this arrow is, and I got people saying, oh, I've shorted the market. I'm like, did you not listen to what I told you? Which is the trend is your friend until the end. And then on top of that, we've got these macro big pictures with interest rates and QE and all this money that's been printed. Guys, you don't realize the move that we're about to experience. All right, experience. And that's the reason why, guys, I am still long these markets. And we're about to experience one of the biggest blow-off tops in history. And if we have a look at the channel that we're in, look where we are right now. All we've done, guess what? Came up, and guess what? The trend is your friend until the end, right? Market goes up, and we get a pullback. Higher low, market goes up, and higher low. Look what happened here. Look what happened here. Let's go back to the daily chart. Look at all that happened. The market did what? The market just ran up, and then we had a pullback, and now we're getting ready to go again, right? It's like, don't fight this market. Do not fight this market. Doesn't matter what you think or the fear or you trying to pick the top of the markets. Please, guys, no shorting this market right now, right? No. Keep the finger off the button. It's like, how much do I need to scream at you guys for the last 6 months so you guys keep shorting this market? And look what the market does. It pulls back for a little bit and then pops back to the upside. Please, no short in the markets, okay? If we have a look at the weekly chart, where is this thing likely to go to? Well, if we have a look at this channel that we're in, all we're doing is, guess what? We just come back down. Let me take that off the screen here for a minute. Let me take you off the screen. All we've done is what? Let me take you off the screen here. We've just come back down. We've bounced off this channel and now we're making a new high. There's a massive probability we're about to see this extraordinary quality move from now for the rest of this year in through to January and maybe even February. There is nothing bearish about these markets. The news and the fear-mongering headlines out there is not the thing that's going to cause this market to crash. Big, massive things are going to cause this market to crash, like them tightening the interest rates. Like, that's a big thing, right? These things are not going to crash, and a pullback is just a pullback, guys, all right? So one of the big mistakes I'm seeing a lot of people make, and guess what? The reason I'm a bit cranky and a bit upset today is because I see people still shorting this market. And even though I've been screaming at the top of my lungs, don't do it. Don't short the market. Don't short a bull market, right? Because the trend is your friend until the end. Look at this here. Up, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low. Oh, look what's happening. Higher low, higher low. Oh, I'm gonna pick the top. I'm gonna pick the top here. Guys, no shorting this market. Now I'm talking the SPY, right? Obviously individual stocks, if you're a short-term trader, you have your pattern and so on and so forth. Cool. Run with that. Right? But when it comes to the individual indices, guys, I see an incredible move. And again, top of this channel, maybe 5,400 is where I see this thing run into, maybe even a bit higher. But traders just don't fight this market, right? Same for the Nasdaq as well too, right? Look where we are right now. We're bouncing off. We're about to break up to all-time new highs, and guess where we're running to? Guess where we're likely to run to? At the top of the channel up here. Now that doesn't look like much. Let me go back to the daily chart. Let me show you on the daily chart, right? This is where we're likely to run to now. We're likely to be running back up towards 18,000 now. Now, again, guys, I'm not talking about every single day, okay? All I'm talking about is just a nice, we may do this tomorrow, and then we do that tomorrow, and then we do this tomorrow, and then do that day, and do that, and that, and that, and that, right? That's how we do it. So, guys, we are in just an incredible move across the markets through here. Just getting really, really, really big moves. And this could be, guys, the start of just an incredible finish to the end of the year. And the worst thing you want to be doing right now, and I hope that you are not short. If you are short, you are sitting there hoping and praying that this market is going to go down because of all these bullshit headlines you've been reading and listening to, thinking the market's going to go down. And no, the bullshit headlines is not the thing that's going to cause the market to go down. In fact, it's the opposite, guys. The more bearish the headlines, the more you want to buy the market. The more you want to be bullish this market. It's the opposite to what you think. And this entire year, I've been bullish. You guys have been following me the entire year? You know, I've been bullish this market. Here we go, right? And this entire year, and despite of all the negativity, the market just keeps going up. So guys, please, the thing that you think affects the stock market doesn't. The big things that you don't think affect the stock market do, like big interest rates environments, big massive tapering. Not from 120 down to $105 billion taper. No, that's a nothing taper, right? That's a bit of a pea in the bucket. A pea in the bucket from a bee, right? That's what that is. It's nothing big macro. 40% of the currency has been printed in the last couple of years. There's so much money out there, and there's so much bullishness to this market. Guys, please. Now, if you're a short-term trader and you've got your bearish setups and so on and so forth on individual stocks, I'm not talking about that, right? But overall picture, please, guys, don't be shorting the crap out of this market right now. It's the wrong thing to do. Hey traders, I'm giving away 100% free access to my brand new Breakthrough full trading course. This is 8 videos over 10 hours of pure amazing and powerful strategies. This is my most powerful systems and strategies that I've used for the last 16 years, and I'm giving it away for free. So this is what I want you to do right now. I want you to go to johnsfreegift.com, or there should be a link around here somewhere, a button or in the description or somewhere in there. Click on that and you can go get free access to my brand new Breakthrough trading course. So go to johnsfreegift.com right now. Go do that right now, guys. You can get full, complete, free membership access. Go do that right now.